Well, joining us now, Dr. V.K. Paul, thanks so very much for being with us. So Pfizer applying for permission over here. On the basis of the data which has been forwarded to you, do you believe a case can be made out for them to receive permissions in this country?
Well, there is a procedure to follow, and we very welcome interest from Pfizer to seek emergency licensure in our country. This is in a way timely. Their application and the data that's accompanying the application will be examined by the experts within the DCGI system, and a decision will be taken.
And how soon would a decision be taken, sir?
I cannot say anything on that point at the moment, because their application only came a day ago, and the processes have to unfold. But you have heard that there is a time limit of 90 days in normal times. But that's only a fact. It is for the DCGI to respond to this particular request, and this will be decided, I hope, sooner than later.
And Dr. Paul, where do the other vaccine candidates in India presently stand in terms of their applications for emergency use?
Well, we can speculate, because till such time that an application is formally filed by the manufacturer and the company, it is difficult to say. They are all frantically trying to expedite the timeline as much as possible without compromising the scientific processes. As you correctly said in the report just before we started to talk, yes, there are two front runners. Serum is in advanced phase 3 globally, as well as in Indian subjects, as also Bharat Biotech in phase 3, but they are on the early phase of phase 3 rollout. Yes, these two vaccines are promising, and possibility of their being taken up for licensure is early. At the same time, Sputnik 5 vaccine also is in phase 2, phase 3 trials, and that could be the next vaccine to watch, as also the Cadila-Zydus vaccine, which should be entering phase 3 trials anytime. So India is fortunate that we have a pipeline of vaccines being manufactured in the country, and at least two of them having been developed in our country.
And in terms of information, are you getting information from, say, the British regulator on AstraZeneca? Is data being transferred to you?
Well, we are in touch with them, because we have a formal arrangement, and channels are open between the two regulators. As far as possible, we will like to be working in tandem, and notwithstanding what the specific frameworks may be existent in regard to sharing or not sharing the data, it is our hope that the two agencies will work together, and it is in our interest, and it's also in the interest of the company, AstraZeneca there and Serum here, that efforts are such that there is no undue delay in possible licensure in one country or the other. So we are working together, and there is a formal arrangement that is in vogue.
And again, in terms of receiving data to help prove the efficacy or the safety of the drug, are you getting this from Gamaleya in Russia as well for the Sputnik vaccine candidate?
Well, remember, if any licensure application is filed, all the data from within the country and from all the other sources, including the laboratory data, is part and parcel of the application process.
Right.
So one clear answer is yes, the AstraZeneca, if it files an application in India, it will be producing all the data that's coming from all the other parts of the trial, as well as animal data regarding safety and immunogenicity. The same thing applied to Gamaleya Institution. In fact, they have shared their previous data based on which phase 2, phase 3 trial has been instituted. And as we move toward more decisive phase of regulatory clearances, the data from rest of the world, from their trials, particularly Russia and 3 or 4 other countries, as well as whatever data is available from within the country on Indian subjects, will be looked at, will be provided, will be examined.
All right, Dr. Paul, wonderful speaking to you again, hopefully sooner than later. I'm sure you would want that as well. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. Thanks very much.